Hi colleagues, my name's Crystal. Welcome to Crystal Clear Curriculum Solutions. Today is a really exciting day because I've just given my web designer the go-ahead to get started on the project of building the website I hope you're viewing this on. You can see I'm a teacher just like you with years of experience teaching ESL online. I'm also trained as a secondary English teacher with a specialization in English language. So, why am I here? COVID has brought about many changes, many negative changes for all of us. How it's most impacted me so far has been that my husband unfortunately lost his job in June 2020. And previous to that, I had been teaching online as a stay-at-home mom and pretty much as a hobby. I didn't bring in much money, but I really enjoyed what I did. So I promptly applied for 3 more online teaching companies to try to build up and boost my income. But what I quickly found in doing that was online teachers underemployment or contractual agreement with another company have a real ceiling to their earnings. We get what we're paid at the rate that we're told, and that's that. The only way to make more money is to put in more hours, which, as many of you know, being a parent just isn't possible for some people. So I began expanding into freelance teaching, which hopefully is what has brought you here. And what I found is that there was a real lack of accessible material to teach from for freelance teachers. And what is out there lacks 2 main points. One is quality. It is not standard. There is a real variation in the quality of online resources that are available, some of which is very, very good, and others not so much. The second part that I had difficulty finding was any sort of step-by-step general curriculum that I could grab and go. I wouldn't have to spend a lot of extra time and therefore decrease my hourly rate in the planning or adaptation of resources, and that brought my students from low-level beginner English speakers right up through fluent. Because if you think about what it takes to get from very beginner to C1 level, there are a lot of lessons in between, and I couldn't find anything that ticked those 2 boxes. So I decided to put my background, education, qualifications, experience to use and create something that fit those criteria. I hope you'll agree that it works for you too. What I hope to offer initially is a range of business English courses, which will help you engage with your student and create the conversation-rich lessons that your student needs to focus and hone in on their language learning. Later, I want to introduce a step-by-step general curriculum aimed at bringing your students from beginner to confident users of English, and enabling you to keep your clientele coming back for months and years to come. In the future, I would love to build in a range of specialist courses, such as for the various exam programs that students would like to take, perhaps some games, and I hope to welcome and host a range of curriculum design collaborators. So if that's you, please reach out and get in touch. My main focus with this brand new company is to enrich the curriculum that is available out there and enrich the quality of teaching in our industry, and to make great quality, interactive, fun lessons that meet your language goals accessible to you. So I welcome your feedback. I hope you have a great experience here, and fingers crossed, this is a go. And we will look back at COVID not as a time of endings, but as a really full, positive time of beginnings. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.